wraparound front porch welcomes you home to desirable estate community in North Raleigh. This half-acre beauty has a gorgeous lot presence, open floor plan with a neutral design palette and well-appointed features throughout. Gourmet kitchen with designer cabinetry, custom tile backsplash, elegant granite and GE profile stainless appliances, gas cooktop, wall and microwave oven. Large eating island opens to family room with custom mantel, stone hearth, built-ins and gas fireplace. 10-foot ceilings and hardwoods throughout most of first floor, which also features guest suite with full bath and granite vanity. Drop zone, mudroom area and office with French doors plus a butler's pantry with glass door cabinetry and wine refrigerator. Spacious master bedroom with sitting area, tray ceiling and enviable walk-in closet with custom shelving and built-in for storage and organization. Master bath features a spa shower with digital temp control, soaking tub and quartz vanities. All bedrooms have walk-in closets and direct access to bathrooms. Second bedroom has en-suite bath with quartz vanity and tiled shower. Fourth and fifth bedrooms share a buddy bath with dual sink vanity. Third floor walk-up unfinished attic for storage or future expansion. Screened porch overlooks stone patio and landscape backyard, the perfect outdoor living space for grilling, relaxing and entertaining. Wyndcroft is a beautiful, well-established community with tree-lined streets and sidewalks throughout the neighborhood. Close to great public and charter schools, shopping and dining, you'll love the convenience of the surrounding amenities: Strickland Road Neighborhood Park, Leesville Road Community Library, Mart's Garden and Coffee, Leesville Tap Room, Good Berries, and the brand new Publix grocery store, just to name a few.